I'm at Three Gables today. It's near Clawton, just on the way in. It's off the main road down a private track, which you share with a couple of other properties that were all originally part of a farm. So Three Gables was a barn which has been converted a number of years ago into a single storey property with 3 bedrooms, great living room with a wood burning stove, kitchen, separate utility, and a lovely big garden. And one of the good things as well is that it's got plenty of parking and countryside views and a triple garage. So all in all, a lovely property to come and have a look at and see if it's for you.